Have you tried the Juvias Place Masqurade Palette just yet? Those shades are so bright, girl. Why you want to buy that? Because I'm fabulous, boo. What's wrong with you? Okay, I'm fabulous. Okay. If you guys want to see me swatch the Juvias Place Masqurade Palette, keep watching.
Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe!
Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Trini Mom Beauty. If this is your first time here, I would love to have you. Feel free to hit that subscribe button if you are interested in seeing dark skin swatches, if you're interested in seeing makeup for people like me, if you're interested in hairstyles, natural this, protective styles, DIY stuff for your hair, then hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join our family. Today's video is a swatch video on this amazing palette that I bought since Christmas, but I'm only now getting the time to swatch it. So please bear with me. It was a Black Friday haul actually. It's the Juvias Place Masqurade Palette, and I actually bought the mini one because I wanted to see how it would work with me first. And now this is what it looks like. Ta-da! And these are the beautiful colors. Alright, so there are 16 really amazing beautiful colors in this palette. And I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 shimmery shades and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 regular matte shades. So I'm going to be swatching this first row right here first for you all to see what it looks like. Let go! So now I'm going to swatch Chai first. Right? And you see it's so pigmented. Right now I'm going to swatch Mali. Okay, Mali needs a little work. Now I'm gonna swatch Delilah. Nice, Delilah is beautiful. Damn. Let's do Zola. Zola is giving me all kinds of life right now, boom. So these are the swatches. Now I'm gonna be swatching Makeda. Makeda is a beautiful purple shimmery shade. Beautiful! Now I'm going to swatch Zobo or Zubu. No, Zobo. Zobo is a maroonish matte shade. Oh man, it's not that pigmented. Let me go again. Alright, so that's Zobo. Now I'm gonna swatch Calabar. Wow, that's a really beautiful shade. Really, really nice. Now I'm gonna swatch Bori. Woo! Well, yes, girl. So Bori is a sort of matte shade that has some glitter in it, and that's how it swatches. Alright, so next I'm going to swatch Geyser. Beautiful! That's really beautiful. Alright, now I'm gonna swatch Burkina. Nice cocoa brown shade. It mightn't even show up on my skin. It barely shows up because of my complexion, but I'm sure it's a beautiful shade. The next color I'm going to swatch is Cario. Cario is a matte shade with some gold glitter. It shows up nice. It's not a bad shade. The next shade is Ada or Ada. Wow, Ada is beautiful. So now I'm going to swatch Dahlia. Beautiful shade. Now I'm gonna swatch Zulu. Now because of my caramel complexion, Zulu isn't gonna show up, but it is pigmented. You can see it, just not on my complexion. Alright, so now I'm gonna do Casablanca. Casablanca is a shimmery shade. Ooh, yes! Beautiful. Casablanca is beautiful. And Fulani, I'm gonna swatch that now. So now the thing is, the brown shades are really close to my complexion, so you're not gonna see it. But these are how they swatch. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna ask you all to subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see the subscribe picture right here. So subscribe, hit that picture, you'll subscribe to me, and if you all are interested in watching other makeup videos, you can see it over on this side right here, and there's supposed to be some other video somewhere there too. Trendy Mom Beauty is out, guys. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and bye.